SMURF unmanned cleaning boat is an unmanned cleaning ship integrating surface garbage cleaning, intelligent patrol inspection, and data monitoring. Work tasks can be set through the pad, one key start. Self-identification of surface garbage, automatic cleaning. Equipped with millimeter wave radar, can perceive the water environment 360 degrees. Automatically identify obstacles in waters. Precise welt sailing. Equipped with security cameras for all weather inspections of waters. Equipped with various sensors for monitoring the real-time water data, such as water quality, depth, and so on. Cooperated with Orcauboat, unmanned smart charging dock. Automatically return to home when low battery, full load of garbage. Fully automatic wireless charging, 24-hour response work. Orcauboat SMURF unmanned surface cleaning boat. The main application scenarios are urban inland rivers, landscape lakes, reservoirs, ports and docks, etc. Operation efficiency increased by 300%. Comprehensive cost reduced by 60%. Are you moved by such a smart unmanned boat? Orcauboat. End the surface garbage with robots. Endow the waters with self-driving.